So when it hit me, I couldn't process it all at once. It kind of made it's a lot, even though it's not a lot. It's easy to process, but it's hard to process because you know what I'm saying. We're going to favor drugs for the cure instead of the that type of the UV light when they separate it, from the other two types of UV light, and then they amplify it, and then they run that shit in your lungs, and it kills all the thing. You see, like the cure is always staring right in the face, like it's like always right in front of us before we find it. So I mean, not with regard to whether or not you think it's quack or anything, should you get off some kind of drugs or anything like that? Why would that be the first choice? Uh, the problem is that there's a cure. That's what it is. The problem with these motherfuckers is that there's a cure, and so they spend all this money and trying pumping fear and running these like you've seen these campaigns, like they're picking these, they don't let, what I'm saying, artists don't even perform their own songs. They have to perform somebody else's songs. uh, they have to compromise their art, and then you have to be suspicious that even though something is mundane and benign as a fucking everyday advertisement, could have been subverted. You know what I'm saying? It's like, fuck, like, it's because what I'm saying, like, the Jannies need inefficiency to thrive on. They're bureaucrats. They need to thrive on inefficiency. The cures are right in front of our face. The measures people are taking to try to protect others from this shit is all basically a fashion show. Like, not really a fashion show, but it's for show. It's not fashion, what I'm saying, but it's fashioned to make it seem like we care, when we know that but saying we don't know. So it's like telling us we know, but we don't know, is that the chain of proteins that has no cell mass that replicates a coronal mass ejection by hijacking the power cell, right, to take over something that does have mass, right? Okay, it's like, it subverts what you actually could say that sorry, I'm so close to the camera. I really didn't want to have to be making videos anymore.